Good morning. Hey everyone. Vlogtober, second vlog. Just coming in to say good morning. I'm trying to do a fast and not eat anything today, but maybe drink water. So we're gonna see how that goes today. Also, it's a day where I at least need to do like maybe a couple of hours. It's either an hour or two of exercise. I kind of like hadn't put that part together yet, but I'll be doing something. I think it's like an hour. Just chilling right now in the bed. I kind of got like a slight headache. I am not this body. I know that it hurts right now. It's probably something I either did or maybe even laid wrong. But please, remove this pain. Remove this pain. It's gotta go. I feel a little better, guys. Just after saying that. I think I laid some kind of way because it's like it's hurting down like at the bottom part of my neck. And then sometimes the pain can just reach up. But right now, that's what I'm kind of feeling. So what I'm going to do is just get up and maybe get myself together a little bit. Come back into you guys a little later. Hey. Let me see. Gotta see how you do this without messing up the phone. I need to get myself a vlogging camera. I really need one so bad. If you guys like to help me out with that, please make sure you drop me a donation and also drop me some good suggestions on some good vlogging cameras. Okay? So right now I'm just threw my clothes in there. They're washing. That's that weird noise you're hearing. The wash machine be tripping. But anyways, I'm catching up on some laundry, and yeah, so far I still have not eaten anything. I'm really trying to do this, guys, but I did say I wanted to make me some lemon water. That's really what I planned on really trying to do. Let me see if you guys can see. I want to grab this bag of lemons right here. Okay, and yeah, I do want to make me some lemon water. That's always good. Like I said, with this, I can have water. So if I did anything, I would make me some lemon water. Update on my son. As you all, if you have seen my last video, you know that my son injured himself at school, that he had injured years ago. So I just wanted to come and do an update. He is doing a whole lot better. I looked at his leg before I jumped on the camera just now, and he had me to re-bandage it up. And the swelling is going down a lot. He does have an appointment to go to a sports orthopedic doctor. That's where they will take x-rays of his leg, look at it, and be able to give, a final say on what's what. So I'm just hoping that everything comes back positive. Oh my gosh, y'all just don't know. I just hope everything come back positive. So y'all just kind of like keep us all, within the energies of healing, okay? And I would graciously appreciate that. But yeah, so far so good. I will keep you informed on that part. But anyway, I haven't gotten into the exercise of what I'm going to do, but I don't know. I might just take a walk for 30 minutes and let that be the exercise that I would do this morning. But I'm still not sure yet because I got to make sure that he's okay before I even leave the house to do anything if I leave the house. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just washing clothes and yeah, going to probably straighten up a little bit, vacuum, get things together here. And yes, of course, make my lemon water. Okay, y'all, I got the water on the stove for for my lemon tea or lemon water. And I'm just going to take me out a nice juicy lemon so I can go ahead and cut it up. I want to get out my cutting board so I can cut the lemon on. It's always helpful to do that. Rinse it off real good. But what I'm just going to do is just cut the ends off of this lemon. You can have it kind of like spirally if you like. And that way it just, you know, all connected in the back. And I'm just going to put it inside of this pot so it can just boil. And you want to, if you're getting water out of the sink, just make sure you got like a water filter. Just make the water boil at least a good 5 minutes before I even consume the water. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now, and I'm just washing up the few dishes that was in my sink. My son is happy. I'm trying to see, can I get him?
Hey, best night, Clay.
Yes. I got a glimpse of him. Okay, y'all. Clothes are finally done washing. I'm putting my last load in the dryer. What are some of the household chores that you're choosing to do today? Okay, so I got all the clothes in the dryer. I'm about to start it up and... Uh-oh, that didn't come to a good start. Let me see. Make sure I have it set. Alright, that's it. Okay, I am done with this lemon water. I did overcook it but this lemon water, you could tell everything is in it. So I did end up having a little bit left, so I'm just going to sit and enjoy that. But in the meantime, oh, my son, he came and got it. But he had it going up in here with that buffalo chicken. I am just so wanting some. But I know I can't eat none. It's like, you know I want some. So why should I lie to myself and say I don't want it when I know I do? I just can't have it. That's it. I can't have it. So I'm just going to drink this freaking lemon water and going to be happy, okay? That's what's up. Okay, I was talking about getting a vlog camera, and this seems to be the go-to camera that I see a lot, quite a few vloggers with, and it's the Canon G7X Mark Roman number 2 or 2 eyes. So I was going to do like some type of research on that camera and see just what's up with it. I can get it going here. And I was looking at the prices of these boys, and do you all see, to my amaze, these boys are like $500. Okay, for the refurbished ones, they want like $513, I believe, or $499. These vlog cameras that I was looking at. So yeah, I don't know. I'm really thinking about trying to save something and get it. If you buys it brand new, they want like $600 to $700 almost for this camera. But if I get it refurbished, then I'm getting it for, well, I will get all of this, which I think that's kind of like a deal for the $545. Okay. No, I think it's a start. It's really a start because it gives you everything that you need. Yeah, it provides everything you need. So for $545, I don't mind. I don't mind. All right, y'all. I managed to get out the house for a little bit, so I'm just taking a walk up to the store. So that'll be part of some exercise today. I having like pain in my knees right now. Not exactly sure what could be causing it. So far as really a big vigorous type workout, I don't know if that would be the thing for me right now. But I know that my doctor has said for me to get out and do more walking would be an ideal thing for me. So anyways, yeah, they just told me to just do more walking and everything to try to loosen up whatever it is that's causing the heel pain that I suffers with. So yeah, so I'm out walking to the store, gonna grab up a few things. I'm not gonna get much. I still sticking to my guns. I haven't ate anything. Okay, so I haven't ate anything, but I did drink the lemon tea. That stuff was good and bitter. It was good and bitter. So I did put like a tad of honey with it, because if I hadn't, I wouldn't have been able to drink that. It was just that bitter, but it was good. So I've drank that, and that's it. That's all I've had today. It's kind of chilly today. As you can see, I got on my jacket. See my jacket? Yeah, it's cold. I think the temperature is like 40. I think it said 47 or 49. One of them 40s. That's enough for me. But at least it's not raining, so that's a good thing. The sun trying to come out, but the skies are gray. I love this tree right here. See? Isn't it big and pretty? I don't know what kind of tree it is, but I wanted to show this. It has these things on it. If somebody can tell me what kind of tree this is, I would be very, very thankful. Hey, tree. See? Comes right over here by it. And I put my hand on it just like this. Or sometime I might back myself up so you all can see what's going on. But yeah. Just in case if you all didn't know, young Pharoah and his wife, GoldenBeauty, will be vlogging.
Back home now. You know, we on our vlog way, the AtenFamily. You know, the first but not the last. Hope y'all enjoyed it. And we're going to continue to develop, upgrade, and improve, and bring our family life to y'all. And with that being said, love y'all. Peace.
Okay, this wraps up today's vlog, guys. So I thank you all so much for watching. If you guys love these vlogs, please make sure you subscribe to my channel for more vlogs. And thanks so much for watching. Wish you all a blessed, wonderful day. Bye.